game of flick football. So today we also have a special guest. So I think he has stopped making YouTube videos. So yeah, so the things you will need is our thick books, just for covering the arena, and 2 hangers or more. It depends on how many people are playing, and flick footballs. Hello. Yeah, we don't need only one. We need many of them. It depends on how many people are playing. Let's get started. The one line is ready. So this is how it's gonna look, and we need 2 hangers too. So let's start with the second line. You keep putting, don't. It's almost done, yeah. This is the last line left, and yeah, it's almost done. This is the arena done. So now arrange 2 Rubik's cubes on each side, as the hanger can rest on it. And now get the hanger, and the arena is ready. I've got the hangers, now I'm resting it on the floor. So now let's start with the rules of the game. There are 2 types. We can play flick football in 2 types. The first type I'm going to teach you now. So you have to place it in the same distance like that, and on the other goal too. So when the opponent is ready, just have to hold there, and by the other hand they have to flick it. So my friend will show you in his one. Shoot. So you have to keep it up like that. And yeah. So that's not a goal. It should go touch the Rubik cube, or it should go through it. If it touches the sides, it's not a goal. So he didn't get a goal, I guess. You got a goal?
No, I'm doing another try.
Okay. Yeah, that was a goal. See, as you can see, it's right there inside. So you cannot goal keep. So now it's my chance. Hold it firmly and then shoot. So hold it firmly, shoot. Hanger fell down. So I guess that's not a goal, because that did not go inside. So let me try another time. Hold it firmly and then shoot. That was also not a goal. So we get the flick football. It's here. Yeah, guys. So now we'll show you how to play the ultimate epic match. So keep your flick footballs in between the court like this. Yeah, keep them.
Decide who wants to start, and then the game is like this. You can just like flick it, and then wherever it goes, you should leave it there, and it's the opponent's chance.
So now I have got to throw it, or I can just keep it firmly, but I cannot push the opponent outside. So when I was here, that's a goal. So directly from here, you can make a goal.
Actually, I'm sorry. Directly, we cannot make a goal. If you touch the goalpost directly, have to come back to the same spot, and your opponent gets a chance. So now, it's the opponent's chance. Whoa, that was pretty close, but that is not a goal because it didn't go inside. He gets another chance if it goes above the goalpost. So he wants to try it again. See, that was actually a goal, but yeah, it's still a goal. That's correct. So now he has 1 goal and I have 3 goals. So that's how you play flick football in 2 ways.
Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yes.